How to get QR code on Microsoft Authenticator. So if you want to get the QR code on Microsoft Authenticator, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your browser. On your browser, you can open up your Microsoft. You can go with your Microsoft or your Outlook, anything that you're comfortable with. After that, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile, and go with my Microsoft account, and you'll have this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with the security section, which is on the left side. So click on security. After going to your security, now here you will have manage how I sign in option. Go with that. And after that, if you scroll down, then here you will have a new way to sign in or verify. So just click on it and you can go with use an app. So you can quickly approve sign in and notifications on your phone. So you just need simply click on use an app. Once you go with use an app, then it will guide you to the Microsoft Authenticator, and it will give you a QR code to scan to add your Authenticator app. That's how you can get the QR code on your Microsoft Authenticator. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.